Formbird FLEET is a next generation solution that will drive your fleet towards data-driven decision making, giving decision makers visibility and transparency across every asset in their fleet. The platform currently manages more than 3 million individual assets across 10 organisations, from a $6 million channel dredge to an $800 Whipper Snipper, and everything in between. The traditional approach to fleet management, usually a couple of out-of-date, expensive to maintain Excel spreadsheets, will only track what's happening in one dimension, at the financial level. Is the lease coming up? Is the rego due? When will the asset reach end of life? Or they only track the fleet from an operational perspective. When's the service due? Has it been serviced? Is it safe? Formbird FLEET brings all the information about your fleet into one secure, scalable environment. Formbird FLEET is the best way to save money on your fleet, knowing that you are in compliance and safe. For decades, fleet managers have been asking for the information that Formbird FLEET delivers. Formbird automates the proactive management of any vehicle or any asset by getting the right information to the right person at the right time. We do this continually, automatically, collecting data in real time, just through daily use. Every time a vehicle leaves the workshop after being serviced, when it's refueled, or when the operator lodges its daily driver check sheet, we are adding to the complete picture of that asset. The vehicle's condition, the vehicle's service record, the vehicle's current location, the vehicle's safe operation or its risky use, its fuel use, is it under warranty, its utilisation and importantly, its tax compliance, its value to the organisation, or where the savings can be made. We've saved thousands of dollars by just managing fleet warranty better, avoiding expensive repairs when a major component of a vehicle has a different warranty than the bumper to bumper. Impossible information to store in your head if you're managing thousands of vehicles. Ultimately, Formbird FLEET is all about a vehicle's total cost of ownership. When you manage a fleet, the data comes in fast, and now it can be better organised. We're not collecting data for data's sake though. Formbird's platform is all about reducing the noise of data and turning up the signal, presenting at a glance to stakeholders the visibility they need so they know what's happening with their fleet in real time. With dashboards and reports for every discipline in the team, the workshop manager knows when the next service is due. Do they have the personnel and parts to complete the service? Finance people can see that registrations and insurance are up to date, when the lease is up for renewal, and what are the cost divisions around the asset. The information has already been sorted and put into cost centres. This is fleet visibility. Formbird FLEET gives decision makers the tools they need to build a workflow around their fleet management, quickly and easily identifying gaps in the process. Safety and training should be front of mind when dealing with heavy, powerful and dangerous vehicles. New legislation and regulations around the duty of care and chain of responsibility mean that proactive safety is no longer a choice and can only be delivered through technology. Record keeping and information logging builds a structure that makes safety and compliance a reality and not a luxury. Formbird FLEET is the holistic approach to managing your fleet assets. For the first time, organisations can see the complete picture of their fleet, a better understanding of their fleet in its entirety, a better way to understand the fleet's cost and value to the business.